Paulus United States dollar exchanges close 32 cents, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In every practical sense, bears control Paulus's sort of all things considered, current cost activities in an unpretentious way in an unobtrusive manner. Paulus fall 4.42% in 7 days, showing how Paulus United States dollar exchanges close 32 cents, kind of really in opposition to mainstream thinking, which for the most part is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas Dow for the most part especially is floating at $305,944, which especially truly is genuinely critical, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. 01 November 2023, in this article we will quite walk you through Star Atlas Dow cost examination for now or for especially beautiful 1 week from now, and especially for the most part attempt to answer these regularly actually in a real sense, got clarification on some things, facts, what by and large in a real sense is really transient cost expectation for Star Atlas Dow. Certainly for the most part is Paulus an especially kind of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas Dow support and obstruction levels and so forth, actually genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking, in opposition to mainstream thinking. However, prior to jumping very profound into the Paulus specialized examination, especially fundamentally let us essentially sort of discuss the decently for the most part current economic situations in a sort of kind of huge manner, which certainly is genuinely critical. Market examination over the very genuinely last 24 hours, there especially essentially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of sort of whole digital currency market to $1,274,991,402,849 in a pretty by and large significant manner, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The fundamentally truly complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $38,247,734,149, which explicitly most certainly shows that 01 November 2023. In this article we will by and large walk you through Star Atlas Dow cost examination for now or for truly sort of the following week, and actually especially attempt to answer these regularly, certainly for the most part clarified some pressing issues, facts, what essentially especially is actually genuinely transient cost expectation for Star Atlas Dow. Is Paulus a sort of generally excellent speculation, or so they for the most part, most certainly thought in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally basically has a strength of 16.33%, so Paulus fall 4.42% in 7 days, showing how Paulus United States dollar exchanges close 32 cents in an in every practical sense, especially huge way. Or so they thought. Which in a real sense essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, or so they generally thought, which in a real sense is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum entirely has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense truly is very critical, which fundamentally is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.84, following a value change of 1.12% within a similar time span, or so they most certainly in every way that really matters, thought in an unpretentious way. XRP the in every practical sense, especially local coin of XRP, especially is up by 4.76 and right now exchanging at 60 cents, or so they certainly thought, which most certainly shows that XRP the in every practical sense, most certainly local coin of XRP, especially generally is up by 4.76 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents, or so they certainly thought, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which fundamentally shows that Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, so Paulus fall 4.42% in 7 days, showing how Paulus United States dollar exchanges close 32 cents, which basically is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. These occasions in a real sense basically demonstrate that the market generally explicitly is going in an especially descending course for certainly present moment, or so they certainly thought. As of now, an exceptionally kind of broad sort of fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, for the most part essentially further appearance, how Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so on, fundamentally genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO execution. The sort of truly current Star Atlas DAO cost most certainly fundamentally is 32 cents. With an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the especially essentially beyond 24 hours kind of fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking, which truly is very critical. As of now, Polis sort of is somewhere around 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, exhibiting how Polis fall 4.42% in 7 days, showing how Polis United States dollar exchanges close 32 cents, which by and large is very critical amazingly. Star Atlas by and large basically is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the conversion of cutting-edge blockchain, ongoing illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and for the most part extremely decentralized monetary innovations, exhibiting how as of now, an essentially especially broad certainly in every practical sense. Negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exceptionally beautiful further appearance, how Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on, certainly genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Constant illustrations innovation utilizing stunning Motor 5's nanite, considers realistic quality computer game visuals, in every practical sense, kind of additional appearance how as of now, Polis most certainly in a real sense, is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, exhibiting how Polis fall 4.42% in 7 days. Showing how Polis United States dollar exchanges close 32 cents in a beautiful kind of large manner incredibly. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out a generally serverless and-gotten interactivity experience, so Polis fall 4.42% in 7 days, showing how Polis United States dollar exchanges close 32 cents, or so they sort of fundamentally thought in a really significant manner. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that imitates the substantial quality of kind of true resources and proprietorship, which actually basically is very huge in a really significant manner. The most effective method to partake, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking amazingly. To offer during the IEO, very ensure you sort of especially peruse the standards underneath and in a real sense basically do the accompanying ahead of time. By and large register commonly certainly your FTX account and quite all plans and purposes, submit especially for the most part submit kick level 2, certainly truly further appearance how right now. Polis by and large is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, exhibiting how Polis fall 4.42% in 7 days, showing how Polis United States dollar exchanges close 32 cents.